In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal Business to JotForm. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your PayPal Business account connected directly to your form, so you can start collecting payments smoothly and securely. First, log into your JotForm account. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a list of all your forms. Take a moment to find the specific form you want to use for payments. This might be an order form, a registration form, or any form where you want to accept money. Click on that form to open it in the form builder. Inside the form builder, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel where you can add different types of fields. Click the plus icon to open the list of available elements. At the top, you're usually on the Basic Fields tab by default, so switch over to the Payments tab. This is where all of JotForm's payment integrations live. Scroll through the list until you find PayPal. Once you see PayPal Business, click and drag it onto your form and drop it where you want the payment section to appear. As soon as you add PayPal to your form, you'll notice its settings appear on the right-hand side. This is the Payment Settings panel. Look for the Payment Connection section. Here, there will be a button or icon that says Connect. Go ahead and click that to start linking your PayPal Business account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter a connection name. This can be anything that helps you recognize this connection later. For example, the name of your form or your business. After entering the name, click the button that says Connect with PayPal. Another pop-up will open, this time from PayPal. Here, you'll be asked to enter the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal Business account. Type that in carefully, then enter your PayPal password below. When you're done, click Log in to continue. In some cases, PayPal will run a security check to protect your account. It may ask how you want to receive a verification code. You can usually choose between email, text message, or a messaging app. Select the method you prefer, then wait for the code to arrive. It might take a little while, so be patient and keep an eye on your inbox or messages. Once you receive the code, enter it into the field provided in the pop-up and click Submit. After your code is verified, the pop-up will reload with a screen saying that JotForm is requesting permission to connect to your PayPal account. This is necessary so the form can process payments on your behalf. Review the information, then click Allow to grant access. The pop-up will refresh again and show a confirmation message saying you're almost there. To finalize the process, click the button that says Return to JotForm. You'll be taken back to the JotForm builder, and your PayPal Business account will now be successfully linked to your form and ready to use.